everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure on how can you install any apps on your Hisense VIDAA Smart TV. To install any apps, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First thing what you want to do is open up your device, make sure it's connected to a Wi-Fi connections, and what next you want to do is click, or with the help of your remote you want to go to App Store from the My App section. And once you are taken to the App Store section, then what next you want to do is click on a search bar in the top right, or if you see any of these applications that you want to download in a suggestion list, you could go ahead and click that out, or if you are unable to find it, use the remote and go to the search bar. Now type in the app, and you want to simply go ahead and click on the application that you want to install, then click on install, and that is how it's going to install the app on your Hisense Smart VIDAA TV. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.